So this is the digital IC trainer kit. So in this digital IC trainer kit, what you will be doing is, you will be provided with the integrated circuit. So this black color chip, it is the integrated circuit, and this one's logical functionality you have to verify using this digital trainer kit. And this one, it is the place where you will be applying the input, and this one, it is the place where you will be obtaining the output. So you can find LEDs here, light emitting diode. So whenever you get the signal or the output as 1, this LED it will glow, or else the LED it will be in the off condition. And this one, it is the toggle switch. So the toggle switch, it has two position. One, it is the low, another one it is high. Low, it indicates that 0 where light it will be off. High, it indicates on where the light it will be on. Okay, and for making this IC respond to the applied input signal, you have to provide sufficient power supply to it. So plus 5 volt supply it is being provided. So the entire kit's on and off terminal it is provided here. So the power on terminal it is given here. Always the pin number 7, it has to be connected to ground connection. Pin number 7, it is connected to ground connection, and pin number 14, it is connected to the plus 5 volt supply. So this blue color wire, it is connected to plus 5 volt supply, and this black color wire, it is connected to 0. This is pin number 7, this is pin number 14. So 1 to 7, 8 to 14. 1 to 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 it is connected to 5 volt supply, and 7 it is connected to ground supply. And the first two are the input terminals, and the third pin it is the output terminal. So here you can find the first two are the input terminals, and the third one it is the output terminal. So what you have to do is, you have to take two wires connected to the input terminal. Okay, it is, you can loose the screw, you can tighten the terminal, you can insert the wire through which the signals are applied to the pin number 1 and 2, and pin number 3, it is the output terminal which is connected to the LED. Okay, so let us see what happens when you apply the input. So here I have applied one of the input as 1, another input as 0. Okay, so what you have, the output it is 0. So let me change the other input. So the first input it is 0, the second input it is 1, for which you are getting the output as 0. Let me find what happens when both the inputs are 0. Here both the inputs are 0 and the output it is 0. When both the inputs are 1, so what happens when both the inputs are 1? You find the output to be high. So this output to be high, it means that your applied inputs are 1, 1, and you are getting the output as 1. It means that 1, 1, it is giving the output as 1, 1. So it is a logical AND function. Okay, so AND gate, let me turn off the kit. So AND gate, it gives the value for the applied input as 1, 1, you will be getting the output as 1. Okay, so you can find that LED it is under on condition for the applied input 1, 1. Okay, so when you apply the input as 0 or 1 to any one of the terminal. So let me apply the input to any one of the input terminal as 0. What you can find? 0, 1. 0, 1, the output of AND gate it is 0. So similarly you have to place all the logic gates in the similar fashion, and you have to verify the logical functionality of the given integrated circuit.